Yeah, buddy, getting ready to take her out. Made a loaf of bread. Haha. And there she is. Now I'm just going to let her sit and then take it out. Raisin bread with a lot of butter in it. I wish you guys can smell this. Came right out too, full of butter. There she is, with butter and raisins all over the place. I can't wait to taste it. I'm going to let it cool down first though. And raisin bread, God is good all the time. I'm going to cut my raisin bread now, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Let's see what it looks like inside. Let's turn it around. Okay. And here we go. Let me get a better shot. There. It is tender. Oh my. Look at this bread. I'll hold this part up. It's heavy too. I have a lot of raisins and butter in it. Look how, oh, that came out beautiful, guys. Now I am going to put a piece of butter on it. Let me get a knife. That's a good crumb, wouldn't you say? Beautiful crumb. I wish you guys can smell this. As they say, I wish we had smell-o-vision. It is awesome. I'm going to taste a piece. I'll taste this corner since, oh my, look how nice it's pulling apart. I got to stay in the camera. Look at that. Beautiful. That is the bomb.com, y'all. God is good. And yes, I blessed it already. Thanks for watching. Cook your own food. One day you'll wish you did.